Hi guys, if you are a beginner and don't want to spend more money in color, then it's okay. Only with 4 colors you can make a big range of colors. Even it's a good learning to practice for color mixing. So here you can learn color mixing method. For this I'm choosing here red, yellow, blue and white color. Red, yellow and blue are primary color, and with these three primary colors I'm using white color. With the help of these 4 colors, we will make different shades. Now we can choose one dark color and we will mix with white. Here I am choosing blue and white color. Few examples of blue and white are here. These different shades of blue are coming when I am mixing the quantity of blue in different amount. You can see here the different shades of blue. In same manner we can make different colors. Now when I mix white and red, it creates different shades of pink, light pink, dark pink. Now I am mixing two primary colors, yellow and red. It creates orange color. When we add yellow in more quantity, it creates yellow orange, and when we mix red in more quantity, it creates red orange. Now we will make green by mixing blue and yellow. When we mix the yellow in more quantity, it makes light shade of green, and when we mix blue in more quantity, it makes a blue green. Now I am mixing white color. You can see here a different shade of green. This way you can do many experiments with the colors. Now I am mixing blue and red color. It will make violet. Here I am mixing white color in yellow color, so different shade of yellow skin color. This way, when we mix red, yellow, blue, it creates brown color, and white, red, yellow and blue creates gray color. Color wheel is also helpful to understand the color mixing. These are three primary colors: red, yellow and blue. When we mix red yellow, it makes orange, and when we mix yellow and blue, it makes green. Now you can see here I mixed red and yellow, it created orange, and when I mixed yellow and blue, it created green color. Red and blue make violet. These are secondary color. Now I am mixing primary and secondary color. Red and violet will make red violet, and now blue and violet will create blue violet. Now I am mixing green and yellow, it will create yellow green, and green and blue makes blue green. Now I am mixing orange and red, it will create red orange, and when we mix a yellow and orange, it creates yellow orange. So so this is the basic of color mixing. In next coming videos we will learn more about acrylic painting, so keep watching and make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for notification, and if you like, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends who want to learn acrylic painting, and please write comment in comment section. Your comments motivate me for making these type of videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.